Hello there. This is a reading for Life Path 33 in the year of 2021. So, I have taken a tarot reading for the Life Path 33. If you want to know what is Life Path and how to calculate your life path, check out Bridget's Evolution, and there are other YouTube videos for that. So, just check it, and then you can come to my reading for the life path 33, what is going to happen to life path 33 in 2021. And this is your reading. So by starting, I see a lot of major arcanas in your reading. I had the Fool coming out, the Fool, the Sun, Hierophant, King of Swords, Queen of Swords, um, Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Cups. So all these are major arcanas. Okay, let's go into your detailed reading. Take a leap of faith and you'll see the sun. Take the opportunity and welcome change. Be the Knight of Wands, which here signifies trying to be assertive and trying to find out what works best for yourself. And you may feel tied down now with the clouded vision and feeling like a prisoner in one's own body. But there is light at the end of the tunnel, and you'll soon get there. Adopt it and grow, and you'll soon join your soul tribe and create a legacy which will be standing tall for thousands of generations to come. You may have shamanism in your shamanistic qualities in yourself or in your ancestral line, or maybe you're interested in the esoteric arts and you're here to heal the past traumas of your past life, or maybe your ancestral lineage. And this talks about twin flames and soulmates, and you're here for a mission. um, you may be the black sheep in your family. Some of the past lives are very dark. Maybe your past life or your ancestral line, they are very dark, and it seems as though they are stuck. Some of them have not passed on. I mean, their souls are still lingering in this world. Some just want to go out into their respective, um, world, but they are not able to, and some they don't want to. The time is now, and the truth is being exposed. Some kind of truth is being exposed, and the clearing of these past things are the time is now. And there are skeletons in the closet, so just take it out. If there is any mysteries and things in your house, I mean, in your family, which you have not uh, known before, yeah. And something about the color black or dark is dark places, dark things is very significant here. The color black or the dark thing is something about dark. It's very significant here. Maybe you like wearing dark clothes. Maybe you like being in a dark room. You like black color things, antiques. So something about black is very important here. Stop having conflicts with yourself and have courage. You're blooming out of a rock, and that's your soul mission. So it is very hard, and you have the master number 33. So it's obvious. So you have to work hard, and it's like you're breaking the walls, which is very difficult. Yeah, and it's hard and it hurts. Yes. Um, your master number, so you have to go through it. It's just how it is. Your life path is very hard. You wouldn't be given this life path if you weren't able to handle it. You will be able to handle it. That's why they have given you this. And have courage. You are blooming out of rock, and if you are a parent, it will inspire your child, and they will have high vibration as you, to create a healthy pattern in your future generations, in your lineage. Okay, stop having stop carrying baggage. Just try to get rid of it. Have some therapy sessions if you really want, if you're having psychological problems, or if you're like, you know what I'm trying to say here. um Consult a doctor or talk to someone you trust and try to get rid of that baggage. Don't keep carrying it. You have to learn to how. learn to heal it. And this carrying of this baggage, this burden is cracking your soul, and it's making you more horrible, more miserable, right? And uh, so by having rid of this baggage, you can piece your life together. You can have that materialistic life more abundant than you ever imagined it to be. I see counterparts like I already told you that I see this soulmate and this soul connection, twin flame connection. I can see that here. Also, there's a repeating message here. The masculine needs to go through change, and by calming down, I'm seeing they have to go through change, and this change will occur only if you calm down the mind. Um, I'm just talking about the energies, not about the gender. You can be any gender. My channel is free of any gender thingies. Okay, I'm seeing Aries, Sagittarius, Taurus, Capricorn, Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius. By being by the water, stargazing, or being in the dark room helps you to calm down. Maybe go for swimming, salt, taking a salt bath, fishing, howling at the moon, or staring at the moon at night, hiking at nighttime in nature. I can sense soul connection here, either soul or your twin flame, and you've come closer than ever. The feminine here is comparing herself to others and seeing the truth that she is a bamboo stick, not a tree. Even though they stand tall, the bamboo stick always goes first to their purpose, their destination. It attains it first. She's seeing angels of being guided by one. Maybe she's seeing it in her dreams, or she's seeing orbs or something, and they're angels, and they're it's her spiritual team. Okay, and she has to balance her male and female side. Maybe it's about the the people, humans have two sides, two energies in them, masculine side and feminine side. And this person here has to balance these energies for her growth, for her prosperity in both sides. I mean, talking about physical and the spiritual side, materialistic and the spiritual side. Okay, and something about the Hindu mythological god of creation is coming through, Brahma. Okay, Brahma is the god of creation in Hindu mythological text. So, okay, and he's coming through, and the wheel is turning in your favor to be fulfilled in all aspects. You're going to be fulfilled in all aspects. Okay, and I also see Virgo. Some offer is coming. So I see this sign Virgo, and some kind of offer is coming with awareness and stability. It feels like the healing of inner child, or someone is going to get conceived. This offer is stable with passion, creativity, and it will transform the people involved in it. I see a wishing fountain. Maybe you want to start decorating your house. I see Pisces and Scorpio. Maybe in the month of Pisces and Scorpio, this will happen. Something um, major will happen. You need to walk away, or you will be pulled down to the ground. You have to walk away from a situation or some person. Okay, let go of baggage, and you will be in harmony. And I see two dolphins. Check out its spiritual meaning. Seeing two dolphins, what does it mean? Okay, and dolphin signifies harmony. I'm just saying, but take personal research on that. And also the Brahman, why is he coming through? What message does he have for you? Check it out. If you like this reading, be sure to like, subscribe, comment below, and press the notification button for further such entertaining videos. Thank you.